Yeah, it is.
Then you better go catch it.
You know what? You should be ashamed of yourself with these stupid pranks.
Do you know who I am? I'm expecting a call from a very important person, and I may be missing it because of you.
You should be ashamed. Wait, where did you say my refrigerator was? Which direction did it go?
He went that way!
Why are you helping me?
Because I lost something once. I went to go dry my favorite spoon in the microwave. Only to find that my microwave has left me. All she left was a note.
Oh, we got a problem. Hold on.
What?
You see those guys over there? Those are the... Those guys are really bad news.
Don't worry. These gonna sell. I'll use my bear spray.
Bear spray? Wait, no, put that away. I'm not using that. God, come on. Have you guys seen a refrigerator run by here?
Maybe I did, maybe I didn't.
Maybe this will help jog your memory.
I don't know nothing about no refrigerator.
Isn't it right there?
Wait.
I got him. Oh my God!
I don't understand. Why do you want to run away?
Hey, are you the owner Cousin Goldie was telling me about? He said you messed him up pretty badly. You know what we do to people who disrespect their fridges?
All right, fellas. Looks like we're gonna let Cousin Goldie handle this one himself.
Is that why you wanted to leave? Because I slammed your door too hard too many times? You know what? Go. Have a better life.
All right, boys. I think our job's done.
What do we even do?
Hey, can it, Tony?
Hey! Stay cool.